Humans spend more than one-third of their lifetime sleeping. While newborns require up to 17 hours of sleep per day, this amount declines with age. Most adults require between 7 to 9 hours of sleep daily. Sleeping is necessary for human survival. Because of the reduced sensory and muscular activity during sleep, our body's different systems may repair. Growth hormones are produced by the brain and allow wounds to heal and bones to develop. Our brain's nerve cells communicate with one another and are essential for processing inputs and interpreting new information. When it's time to sleep, the so-called circadian clock tells you. It is determined by a person's day-to-night cycle and the length of time they are awake. When sleeping, our heart rate slows down and our breathing becomes rhythmic. 3 sleep phases take place in recurring intervals: a long light sleep, then a short deep sleep with maximum recovery, and finally the dream phase, which includes rapid eye movements, also known as REM sleep. People suffering from stress or depression are likely to have chronic sleeping disorders, leading to insomnia. There are some foods to add in your daily diet to have relaxed and stress-free sleep, and these foods also increase immunity and brain power. It's been claimed that almonds may help boost sleep quality as well. This is because almonds, along with several other types of nuts, are a source of the hormone melatonin. Melatonin regulates your internal clock and signals your body to prepare for sleep. Chamomile tea is a popular herbal tea that may offer a variety of health benefits. Specifically, chamomile tea contains apigenin. This antioxidant binds to certain receptors in your brain that may promote sleepiness and reduce insomnia. Kiwis are a low-calorie and very nutritious fruit. According to studies on their potential to improve sleep quality, kiwis may also be one of the best foods to eat before bed. Dairy products, such as a glass of milk, cottage cheese, and plain yogurt, are known sources of tryptophan. Milk has been shown to improve sleep in older adults, especially when paired with light exercise.